So here's another Kendall home, and this one's called the Mason. And it's 2617 square feet on about a 3/4 acre lot. So let's go inside and we're going to take a look. All right, so you come on in here. Here's a big study with like a bay window. Dining area looks great. Bedroom 1. Jack and Jill style bathroom. Bedroom 2. Wow, this is beautiful. That's fantastic. Built-in GE appliances. This would be a utility room. And this is a tandem garage. Nice covered back patio. Oh wow, this master is huge. Linen closet right here, dual sink. Toilet has a door. Big master closet. Separate tub shower with a nice ledge. And there you have it. Have any questions about it? Oh, one more area I forgot. There's another full bathroom over here. And another bedroom. Okay, there we have it. If you have any questions about it, let me know.